Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, today we have a cleaning day. I've just finished washing the boat on the outside. Now it's just to continue inside, but as you can see, the tablet is charging. One of the kids is playing with the phone. Hector is playing on the computer.
Minecraft.
Ice maker is running. Coffee just freshly made. And the solars are putting out a ton of power. It's insane. Yesterday I saw 22 amps at the display. And that maybe not seems as much, but that's at 24 volts. So if you have a 12 volt boat, that's 44 amps. That's basically more than your normal car alternator. Hopefully I can get a glimpse of some high numbers today as well. But it's quite windy today, so I'm just gonna have a cup of coffee, then I'm gonna help this guy from Benevolence leave the dock because it's directly from the side, so be back in a bit.
Got it.
And yeah, I'm gonna show you one more thing. We have added this Spytech, and as you can see, it's basically
Nice.
100% view out. And the same on these windows, but from the outside. It's basically impossible to see in. So we have and what it is, it's this one-way mirror, self-adhesive. The only thing you need to apply this is a good knife and a squeegee. And where is it? Here. A spray bottle with just some dishwasher soap and water. Just a few drops. It's just for taking away the surface tension of the water. Clean it. Just spray it on. Clean the window with a soft sponge. And put it on. And how you do that is just after you clean it, spray the window a lot, spray the film. When you peel back the tape, spray on the film, put it on, scrape it, get all the air bubbles out, and then just cut around the trim. I did one big window here, one big window there, 4 smaller one in the aft cabin, and I did all 6 of those in under an hour. So I can really recommend those. As a bonus, for the main reason I did it is because to add privacy. It's impossible to see in the boat through those windows, and it stops a lot of UV light, so you get a lot cooler boat. Yeah, links are down below. I bought those on Amazon and I'm really happy with that. One roll covered the whole boat. So yeah, that's basically some old Spytech in a new form, used as a private citizen, bought on Amazon. Link are down below. It's full.